Hey beauties, it's Riri, and today's video is a FLYCURVY haul and try on. We're gonna dive in. Not too long ago, FLYCURVY reached out to me and asked if I would like to try some spooky season / fall season outfits, and of course, I said yes. I'm gonna pop up a little bit of information right here. They're a very size inclusive brand, so of course I said yes. You guys know I'm always on the hunt for plus size fashion. I also think that their prices are very reasonable and they go up to a size 5XL. Some of their pieces, the 5XL says size 22. Some of them say size 28. We're gonna get into the try on portion. We're gonna make this short and sweet. I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing today just so that you know that this is my style for the fall time. I love anything spooky ooky. I love Halloween. I love fall. I love pumpkin stuff. I love it. Give it all to me. Give it all to me. So today I'm wearing some pumpkin leggings and a green shirt, and of course I opted for beautiful fall makeup. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and start popping on the try on right here. First up is this beautiful pumpkin black long sleeve tee. I love this. When I saw it on the site, I was like, I have to have this. Adding to cart right now. I love this, and I actually am going to go and order this or one of the other ones. I'll tell you in a second. As you can see, it is very, very big, and I got everything across the board as far as the standard clothing in a 5XL, which on their site said 22. And as you can see, it's very, very big. So I would either say to go down 1 to 2, honestly probably 2 sizes at least, or just make sure that you're looking at their size charts. I love this. I thought it was super, super cute. I'm really bummed that it didn't work out for me, but it is what it is. It felt incredibly thick. It felt nice. It felt nice in the looks. It felt very high quality. It wasn't see-through or anything like that. Definitely the quality was there. The size chart just, it lied to me. Next up is my favorite piece, or at least I thought it was gonna be my favorite piece, and I am probably gonna also go order this one too because I love this. This with some cute little jeans and some cute little boots, do a makeup with grunge green, orange, whatever the case may be. I love this, but again, incredibly oversized. And everything that I got was a 5XL, which on the site and on those specific pieces, as you will see, that said size 22. So I assumed that the tops would be a little bit big, but I think even if I had gone down to like a 4X or something like that, it still would have been incredibly generous sized. So I feel like based off of obviously the first 2 pieces, the sizing is accurate in the sense of all the 5X's. All the 5X's all fit the exact same. Next up is this 2-piece. I also loved this shirt so much, you guys, and I actually wanted to wear that shirt with these leggings. That's why I wore these leggings today, because I was hoping that I could wear that top. Again, very well made, not see-through. It felt very high quality. I didn't see any loose threads or anything like that at all. It's just very, very oversized. This, just say, you know, size 5X or a 22 is definitely completely off. I think that 5X across the board with all 3 of these tops and the bottoms, as you're probably seeing right now as well, they're closer to what I would say a size 26 would be. It may be even a size 28 depending on how curvy or busty or hippie or whatever you may be. The pants, the same thing. The pants of all of the pieces that I've tried on and for this haul, they're the only ones that I'm like, you know, if I bought those separately, I would not like those. They felt a little bit thin. They had a little bit of loose threading and stuff like that. And because the lining, hopefully you're seeing this as I'm speaking, because the lining is like a sheer white, it almost looked like you could actually see my skin and stuff through it or see my undergarments, and I couldn't. I was seeing the white lining from that. So I feel like it was a little bit of a messed up on their part. Of course, with that type of a shirt, it would be long enough to cover the hiney and things like that. So I don't think you'd be disappointed if you bought it as collectively as an outfit. But the leggings, I personally would not purchase the leggings by themselves. Now, moving into the spooky season pieces, I opted for this spider. I think I can get away with this. You guys let me know what you think. This and the next piece were a size 3X, size 22. So again, a little bit of discrepancies there, but size-wise, all those 5X's fit exactly the same, and both of the 3XL pieces that all said size 22s, they both also fit the same. With this, I like to do what I call my little lazy girl costume called my Spider Queen. I'll pop a picture of my makeup here. anytime that I'm in a rush, I maybe get invited to a last minute, you know, party or something like that. Maybe I want to hand out candy and I'm like, let me do something really quick. I do a beautiful smoky eye, throw some glitter, some rhinestones, do a spider web. I thought this with some jeweled tights or something like that, some fishnets and some boots or whatever. I thought it could be sexy as hell, you guys. And I think it's just veering on the cusp of being a little bit too big. But I overall really, really liked it. I think it's super cute. Again, incredibly thick, seemed very well made. I didn't see any loose threads or anything like that. And then last up, I got this for the exact same thing. I can grab a cute little basket, throw something in it, and be, you know, Red Riding Hood. I could be a vampire. I could do so many different things with this. As you can see, it looks really, really pretty. There's not necessarily a full-on cup, but enough of a padding or a modesty padding in the bust. I feel like I got a little bit of support from it. I'm a very busty person. I wear a size 40 triple DE, and I feel like there was generous, ample room there. I like the way that it kind of pinches in at the waist. It had the shearing and stuff. It ties up. Overall, again, I feel like maybe one size too big, but I think I'm gonna keep it, and I think I could get away with it. The cloak, everything seemed very, very well made. I could not zip it up myself just because I couldn't reach to zip it up, but it would fit, and I could tell that it would fit great. So across the board, aside from the leggings, which just seemed a little thin and I could see some loose threading and stuff like that, and they missed the mark putting a white lining in a black pant. I don't get that. I don't understand that personally. Aside from that, everything seemed incredible quality. Very nice. Everything seemed great quality. I'm very, very excited to like make a purchase for myself. And I'm incredibly thankful, you know, to FLYCURVY. And I also love when a brand reaches out. Hundreds reach out to me, you guys, and I'm very selective in what I choose. Obviously, I'm always on the hunt for plus size clothing. But if I say, hey, I'm gonna try these, and I'm gonna be very honest and brutally honest, and they say, well, no, we would like for you to say this or this, or no, it's a deal breaker for me. I'm going to be honest. I don't want you to watch a video and see something that I've shared, posted, tried on, whatever the case may be, and then you go and purchase that item and you're like, this is trash, and then you want to kick my ass, okay? Everything was well made. I would like to do a giveaway for somebody. If you happen to wear, I'm guessing a size 26 or so, 26 to 28. If you feel like you could wear the 3 pieces and then the leggings, comment down below. I'll pick one person to send the package out to. Just leave your best email or Instagram, whatever the case may be, and I'll send that out. I'm going to keep both of the costumes just because I feel like I can make them work. And so yeah, if you think you could wear these, you know, obviously let me know. Again, I'm between a 20 and a 22, so if you can kind of reference that, then just let me know. Comment down below and say, hey, I'd like to have, you know, those 3 tops and the pair of leggings, and I'll definitely send them to you. I will never, ever, ever, ever ask you for money. I will never ask you to pay for shipping. I will never ask you to WhatsApp me, Telegram me, nothing. So please use common sense. Please be vigilant in knowing that. I will reply to your comment if you are the winner, and I will pin your comment. If your comment was not pinned, it is not me. There are a lot of spammers out there. Please, please, please use common sense, you guys. Overall, fantastic experience as far as the quality and things like that goes. I just ordered the wrong damn size. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for joining me. Also, are you dressing up for Halloween? Do you celebrate Halloween? What is your costume going to be? Y'all let me know. Let's have that conversation down below. Thank you for joining me, and thank you to FLYCURVY. There will be a 10% off discount for you guys down below, and I'll pop it right here on the screen, Riri10. Thank you again for everything. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.